Just because I'm a small YouTuber doesn't mean I can't help in a big way when it comes to growing and starting a YouTube channel. That's not just true, it's actually one of your biggest advantages. Being a smaller creator on YouTube often makes your advice more relatable and powerful than someone who already made it. You're in the trenches, figuring things out in real time, and people trust that. Here's why your message matters in a big way. 1. Your relatable big creators can feel out of reach. But you? You're exactly where many beginners are right now. That makes your advice easier to follow and believe. 2. You show real progress. You're not just talking theory, you're living it. When people see your journey, your wins, like your recent views growth, and even your struggles, it inspires them. 3. You're proof that anyone can start. A lot of people never begin because they think they need expensive gear or a huge audience. You show them that's not true. 4. You can connect more personally. Smaller channels often build stronger communities because you can actually engage with viewers, and that's huge.